first glance, I definitely like long. But this is the only trade idea I honestly have right now. Bro, every time, if I see 2 wicks like this ever again, this is forever gonna be in my mind. I hopped in the shorts. There we go. There we go. That's TP1. I'm breaking even. Come on. That's about to be TP2. There we go. Close trade. Hallelujah. Shout out to NASDAQ after, what time is it? It's 10:36. Go from your trading account, 2,200, you know, could have been 3,000, but you took out yesterday. Then you come over here, you click this button. This button right here is like taking the red pill, but it's really like the green pill. So, yeah. Very interesting tale of events. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today, it is Wednesday. We have 3 minutes until 9:30. I see a possible long opportunity. Yesterday and the day before, we've been having a pretty L price action, if I do say so myself, but today we're about to see what we can do. So with that being said, without all the yapping, let's just get straight into the day and see what we can do. At first glance, I definitely like longs, but it looks like we're not retracing. Just got here and it's already gone. We'll see. But I mean, this was the idea I was looking at off rip. I didn't expect it to just take off like this, but if it just keeps going, we just got to keep waiting. But this is the only trade idea I honestly have right now. Hopefully it just doesn't leave without us, but I'm definitely bullish on today's price action based off of what's already happening. But until we pull back, I ain't taking nothing. First glance, I mean, I want these longs, but I don't know if we'll get a retracement or not going into the rest of the day. It's already 9:30, so the volume more than likely might just keep price pushing. Hopefully gives us a retracement, but we gonna see. Bro, I lied to you not, Jay. I got here 3 minutes ago. Jenna heard me. I said 70 points. Then I said 112, then 130. Now we're 140 in a span of, it's been 1 minute. I like the 1 hour gap. It's a very similar idea to what I wanted to take on 30, but 30, you know, went to the moon. Keep waiting, because if I would have gotten on that, I would already be in some drawdown. But it's the same idea that I was looking for on 30, but damn, markets just suck sometimes, you know that? Start wicking and make walrus bricks. That shit would be crazy. I would be so sad. You would think. After that 4 bro, the way I'm looking at this, hold on, where is it at? I'm gonna tell you, every time I see this, look, every time I see these wicks, bro, this is the first thing I think of. Every time now. Every time, bro, I see 2 wicks like this, bro. Bro, every time, if I see 2 wicks like this ever again, this is forever gonna be in my mind. I hopped in the shorts. Nah, bro, it's like, it's never gonna go away. It's like, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Based off of price action, I would want price to go lower. But if it creates walrus wicks, it got that close to making that low and bamboozles and goes higher. But the way I look at it too, bro, look at ES now. ES was, I'm saying, it's doing the same shit. Making walrus wicks, bro. I don't know. I'm in the trade. I like the shorts, but it might walrus wick, bro. Crazily enough, like, why? It's a valid idea, but this shit just wasn't trying to play out. I guess it wants to go bullish. Why did it make 2 walrus wicks? I mean, never know. I ain't out the trade. I'm in profit. I'm not break even yet, but it's better than nothing. It is indeed better than nothing. There we go. That's TP1. I'm breaking even. I'm now risk-free about damn time. Come on. Oh, yeah, we dropping. Fully dropping. Okay. Hit TP, though. You know what I'm saying? We hit the low. Now, if I had a 20-point stop loss, we would have been good, but I have a 30, so I need this to run a little bit lower. But regardless, I'm break even. Regardless, that's TP1. Regardless, if you took the trade, break even, because this shit is not worth it. It is not worth it. Not worth the loss. Not real shit. Just keep going past that low. Don't do no dumb shit. Reject it. Go into, nah. Just die. Just give me 10, 20 points and then do whatever you need to do after. Hot diggity garbage. I understand you got FOMC later, but like, all I need to do is 10 points. But I can't even be mad, because that's why I wanted to use my 20-point stop loss, because if I had a 20-point stop loss, I would have possibly been able to get out at that low. But since I got 30, my 60-point TP is a little bit below it, which is unfortunate, but at least I'm break even. Can't even be mad at it. I got faith in you, Nas, but at this point, it's looking like a shitty day. This is about to be TP2. Hey, yo, it looks like somebody sent me a walrus chart. Come on, that's about to be TP2. Come on. Don't do it. It didn't even hit it to reject. At least hit it first. I won't be as mad if you hit my number and then reject, but like if you reject before hitting my number, bro, you know what's really I ain't gonna lie, Jenner. This is very PTSD because you said that same exact thing when I was about to hit a trade the same price ago when I had my camera out. That's very deja vu-ish, not gonna lie. Like for the same exact words in the same exact situation. Like I remember vividly, last time you were saying that, I was waiting for the screenshot of my trade TP while I was recording it. And I'm doing the same thing again. I do the same shit every day, so most of my life is deja vu, but you drawn because now it is rejecting. It definitely didn't hit my TP. I need $200. There we go, close trade, hallelujah. Shout out to Nas after, what time is this? 10:36. This is like a normal day of trading. I guess recently we just been getting fast trades, but this felt way longer than what it was, but that's a W trade. Shout out to everybody that took advantage of it. If you didn't, snooze, you lose. I mean, listen, we was in this trade for a minute. I was at entry for who knows how long. If you ain't get in, it is what it is. I ain't get in on 30. Same thing that people were saying about me. Hey, it be like that. I missed 30. You miss some, you lose some, you win some. Today I caught some. I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm gonna take my marbles. All right, and we done. Trade successful. It looks like we got Marley also caught the shorts. A couple other people caught the shorts. I was walking students through the portal I have being built for them. But besides that, it's W day, W trade, W NASDAQ. Even though it's very choppy, it was very, very, very choppy. We made it work. It was still a W, and I made about 3,000 on that trade. So if I do say so myself, it's been a W. It has indeed been a W. So yesterday's L plus today's W, we are up 2,200, which is gonna be withdrawal, no cap. But yeah, it just goes to show, stick to the process, stick to the plan, no matter what. It may look ugly in the moment, but if you have a system, you have a setup, you have any of that, stick to it, be patient, and let it play out. Time-wise, it is only 10:40. Some trades have played out faster before, some trades have played out slower. Nonetheless, we take advantage and appreciate everything that has happened to us. I'm about to hop on a call with a student. So yeah, besides that, let's just keep this shit going. Just keep being busy. I'll just kind of get an idea just where you are trade-wise, experience-wise, just all of that sort of stuff. Just kind of get an idea of you, if that makes sense. But yeah, if you just want to kind of run me down, elevator talk, just who you are, where you're from, how old you are, if you've been trading at all of that stuff. Like what we do in Robinhood is more like options. It's like more like it stops and does stuff like that. But what we do is a lot more flexible. Like we actually are reading the chart. We're basically buying or selling, getting out, getting in when we want to, opposed to when it comes to Robinhood, it's like, oh, you got to wait this amount of time. It's very limited. Because say, for example, when you were watching the trade, like there was a point where it hit my target, but I still had to wait for it to come down. When it comes to like, say a time target, no matter what, when it hits that certain time, it's just, it is where it is, whatever it is, that's just what you got, versus you actually being able to leverage it, capitalize off it yourself. You being able to make the most of a certain trade, like not get out if you don't want to. Like you have the option essentially, which is why I like day trading. There's a lot more flexibility because the way we do it, we read charts, which you could take and use that same skill set to trade on Robinhood, because if you understand the charts behind it, you'll have a more reason to know why to buy, when to buy, that sort of thing. Same thing with crypto. Same thing when it comes to being able to read the charts. You can use it with crypto. You can use it for stocks. It's just being able to read and analyze charts. Like that's the skill of reading the market. When it comes to trading, the main thing that you need to be a successful, consistently profitable trader is going to be one, the system, the strategy. Like that's step one. When you don't know anything about trading, that's the main thing everybody has to learn first. The system, the strategy, the concepts, just understanding the market, right? After you get that down, after you demo trade, after you get experience with that thing, then it comes down to understanding the proper risk management, because you can have the perfect system or strategy, but if you don't know how to make the numbers make sense, if your losses are bigger than your wins, if your average risk to reward, meaning if I'm risking $1 on a trade, your risk to reward would be how much you're looking to make back, like your ROI. If I spend $1, I'm gonna wanna make at least $2, $3, because it's a positive investment. When you think of any ROI for real estate, it's the same exact thing. The money you come in, the money you put in, you want to be able to get more of it back, plus some. Because it also takes into account, if you take a loss now, one trade will be able to make that back plus more. So it's like you're not kind of up one, down one, up one, down one, like not going nowhere. Even though you might not win all the time, if you make sure that you have a good risk reward, just simply meaning your wins are bigger than your losses, long term, you will make more money. Everybody that starts trading is to make money. You don't stay with trading because of the money. You learn to like it, but it all starts with the money. We want to be able to make money, which is what takes people out the game. But if you focus on the process is what's going to be able to bring you the money. If you want the money, you're going to focus on the thing that's going to bring the money, not the money in itself. Because from focusing on the money when times get hard, when the motivation isn't there no more, if money's the only thing keeping you going, it's only going to do so much. Because money is just one thing you want to have real purpose. There gets to a point where you would rather just build yourself, have your own life versus getting a lot of money for it. I'm sure most people will take being able to trade, make a $2,000-3,000 a month, but have their time back versus making more at their job but not having the time. You know what I mean? Like, trading is just a way of being able to get to the means of having that flexibility, having those means to be able to make that happen. All right, just got done the call with my boy, getting him right. Look at this trade. Trade went stupid. Still falling. Hit TP3. About to send this to the chat, let them know. You know what I'm saying? I sent them the John over here, but I'm also about to do a withdrawal too. So yeah, for the people that want to know what it's like to do a withdrawal, if you haven't watched the other videos, you are about to find out. But yeah, let's do this withdrawal for 2,200. But yeah, you're gonna go to your broker, whoever you're gonna do the withdrawal with. I'm trading with Hanko Trade, so I'm on Hanko Trade's website. That's pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna pick the trading account. You're going to put the amount you're going to be withdrawing. So I made approximately, after losses, $2,200, as you can see. So that's gonna be exactly what I'm withdrawing. And get my Bitcoin address. Boom. Oh, I didn't pick the trading account. Oopsie. Pick the trading account. It said amount wasn't there. And then you're gonna hit proceed. And then you know what you gotta press? See, look, to make this shit real, to go from your trading account, 2,200, you know, could have been 3,000, but you took out yesterday. Then you come over here, you click this button. And this button right here is like taking the red pill, but it's really like the green pill. And it'll change your life. I do the authenticator. You probably hear my girlfriend in the background. Authenticator and get this. And then this is where it's all done. Withdraw, success. Don't say I don't show y'all how to make money every day, man. All right, team, hold on, let me fix this brightness. Okay, that should be better. But right now, I'm chilling. We just got back we went and picked up my girlfriend's cousin and her daughter, and they're behind me in the crib right now. But we went to there, and then I went and took us to Chick-fil-A to get some food. And then now I'm about to edit all the vlog and stuff that you're watching. I'm about to edit some YouTube content, edit a whole bunch of stuff. Whole lot of stuff. You guys got some of the game when it came to the one-on-one call. So far, it's been a pretty eventful morning, just with me waking up back-to-back work, back-to-back, and then back-to-back doing stuff. Took a 20, 30-minute drive in the back. So yeah, right now, time-wise, it is 2:11. I'm about to start editing for the day, and just how you do one thing is how you do everything. I'm not gonna work out right now. I'm gonna work out maybe later on, just because I got people here right now, and I don't wanna have the door open, have the baby going through and everything, so yeah, but that's the vibes with that. Yeah, so far it's a good day. Withdrawal done. Okay week so far. We're gonna say we can end the week off, but no expectations. We just show up, follow the process, follow the plan that's got us here in the first place. Shout out to that walrus method. The walrus wicks were showing, but it ended up playing out. So I'm gonna just take it. Yeah, look at the view right now. Beautiful view. This is what money pays for. All right, we just dropped off her cousin and everything. Now we're about to be on our way back to the crib. We're gonna go get gas. Yeah, we gotta go get gas and then be on our way back home. But I got a video that's gonna be coming out. So today's date is Wednesday, September 17th. This vlog isn't gonna come out today because I have a video that's gonna come out today. So more than likely, if you're watching this, you already know that. But yeah, this is gonna be going into tomorrow, the 18th, when this gets posted. So yeah. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. That's the video that's going to be posted. It's an educational video, but I don't want to speak too much on it because by now you already know. So I'm in the past right now. But my camera's finna die. My mic's finna die. And yeah, you know what time it is? Time to go get gas. And then after that, time to go make some food. I'm thinking Alfredo, steak, and tostones. Price come a little bit lower, maybe tap the gap a little bit more, maybe fill the gap, but then go higher. Or it just keeps going high from here. But overall, I think we could fall a little bit. But this paper trade is just a paper trade. I ain't taking those trades today. That was the fastest little trade idea of the day. Hey, there you go. Like, this was just a paper trade, but regardless, it was based off the 1 hour gap expecting the price to go lower. And it was just 1-to-1, just like that. There you go. With the short, so I can look for the long. So I'm gonna send this one to you, US30 long idea. Yeah, I'm bullish overall. I just wanted it to come down shortly. Yeah, like I wanted to see it come down first, but we'll see if it keeps pushing overall. It has room to go to high side. I have a wider stop, like a 59-point stop on this trade, but I have it just below the London low to see if price is gonna go higher. But this is my trade idea. Well, second trade idea for y'all. Got some drawdown on this trade idea. Looks like NAS shorts would have been ideal. Hey, I mean, if anyone still held the short idea, I called for y'all. Y'all still got that. 2 trades back to back I called for y'all. This shit's smacking. Iris 59, we're about to be up at TP1. Nah, so far these trade ideas I'm calling for y'all are smacking. Y'all, someone better have caught some shit, man. Trade idea, so if y'all took the trade idea, this is about to be TP1. No cap, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's TP1 on it. That's about 50 points. Stop loss was a little bit wider than 50 points, but that's TP1 on the trade. We're up 60 points. Don't say I didn't give y'all another trade. Second trade back to back. If I wanted to, I could close the trade right here and this would have been my 1 to 2, but I'm gonna hold this shit to the high just to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? The people that caught the second trade, that's 100 points. So even though the high is 120, risking 50 points, this is 100 points right here. So yeah, there y'all go. 2 trades. This is about to be TP2. 110 points. We just need 119. Smooth, back to back, caught the shorts. From the shorts, caught the longs. From the longs, I'm about to get out this trade at this high. Hey, don't say y'all ain't witness this shit again. Come on, we need 5 points, 6 points. Come on, 3 points. I'm 23. That's where you got it wrong. But look, Angelo, I'm telling you, if you met the wrong person, everything in. Smack, cutting heads off, all the above, bro. That shit broke the TV out here. Nah, bro, I mean, the rest is this is all stable. This shit, though, this shit came off like a motherfucker. Honestly, though, I'm glad it was that, because it could have been anything. I would have rather had that than a window. Honestly, this was the monitor that's already fucked up, so I don't really care about that one. Because look, I went like these, my aim is too precise. I went, ha! And that shit aimed straight at the monitor like these. Imagine getting hit in the dome with that. That shit gonna hurt, and then you get your head cut off. It's just tragic. But come on, TP2. There we go, TP2 finally. What an eventful day. The walruses, I don't know if the walruses are good or bad luck at this point. So, yeah. Very interesting tale of events. I didn't lose any trades, but I was trying to show them an example of me swinging my sword. I swung the sword, and the piece that goes right on here that holds it together flew off. Like the piece that goes right in there, it flew off, and it smacked my monitor. So now we got to get a new monitor, but you guys already seen we were looking at monitors, seeing what we could find, seeing what make the most sense. Yeah, I mean, we got 2 damn good trades. Called the trades for the team. Students went crazy, and I got a broken monitor from it. It is what it is. This is honestly one of the monitors I had that wasn't the best one, right? Like this is a better monitor than this one, but this is the cheaper one. So we're gonna get a new monitor. I don't know if I'm gonna get it today, just because I gotta order the monitor that I want. We looked at one. I'm thinking there's this LG ultra wide curve, 240 hertz, 1440p, 34-inch that I'm thinking about ordering. So that's probably the one I'm gonna get, but we gotta wait, so it's gonna take some time. But yeah, successful day so far. Successful vlog. Yesterday we made 3K. Today we broke a monitor, so I guess we can afford a new monitor, right? Yeah, I'm about to get some content posted, get everyone all situated when it comes to all my content, and then get the rest of my day started. So far, it's off to a interesting Thursday, if I do say so myself. All right, we are outside. Yeah, my girlfriend's about to get her eyebrows done, and I'm coming along for the ride, and then we're gonna go to the mall. I wanna go look at the couple of different things at the jewelry store. I'm not getting anything today. I just wanna go look just to kind of see some prices, just try some shit on, you know? Motivate myself a little bit, just like anybody else. I need motivation too. I gotta wake up every day and keep moving to make more money, to keep on trying to do shit. Wouldn't break monitors too. I need motivation, baby. Like Babyface said. Need some motivation, man. Shake me, show me something. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm listening to a podcast in the gym right now. I got the meanest headache. But you know what? It's all good. Because I didn't even want to come to the gym. And guess what? I came here and nobody else was here. Nobody. It's Thursday. I mean, why ain't no one at the gym? I see people outside by the pool. It's not even that sunny of a day. But I just keep telling myself, do what they want to achieve what they can't.
Same thing I tell my students, same thing I tell myself. I'm in physical pain right now. Like my head hurts. And if you guys didn't know, when I was younger, I fractured my skull. So ever since then, when I do get headaches or migraines, that shit, it'd be fucking me up, but no excuses. I'm gonna push through, I'm gonna get my content, do what I had to do. Then I got my girlfriend upstairs, she's gonna make me some food. So I'm gonna tell her before I get done. So I got some food when I get up there, shout out to her. But just gotta keep going and listen to a podcast, top tier, man. Just working on becoming the best version of myself. I hear a baby somewhere, I don't know, but stay busy, stay working. I'm gonna keep going. All right, team. So far, I didn't start building the cars 2 nights ago when I got them. I started today though. This is what I got from like 2 hours of building the G-Wagon. This shit is taking forever, but this is a big body for real. Like the amount of detail that it has to go into this, but look at the back. G63, if it could focus. Look at that G63 AMG, big body. But yeah, it looks like a boat right now. But it is under construction, but we're about to go to the store and that'll get fixed on the way when I get back. Yeah, I gotta give my neck fucking adjustment because that shit looking down for like 2 hours like that is crazy. But yeah, honestly though, this is where the video is gonna come to an end. I don't feel like bringing the camera. So if you enjoyed the video, support the cause. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it for my monitor. Do it for the walruses. And if you want to work with me one-on-one so you can get access to everything you've seen, plus more to one-on-one calls, daily live trading, one-on-one mentoring, all of the above, first in the description. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's daily video. Stay safe, stay busy, stay productive, and I'll see you tomorrow.